Guys, pahabol ta para 5 PM draw. So 3-2-1 na ni gawas para ta sa tuwang hearing. Hearing numbers. Pahabol niya, pahabol. One to 0 og 2-0-0. Okay, target at rumble. Okay, so kanara good luck sa tanan guys, may tag mugawas na. Ayaw kalimot ha, like, share and subscribe and follow. Okay, pwede ninyo i-maintain for 3 days. 3 days maintain. Okay, good luck.